Today is the day where I fully trust in the unfolding of my journey here in this realm called Earth School. I really know in my body that I can't outrun my callings and my creative gifts that were instilled within me since birth. And although those may be crazy and I may be scared sometimes, I know that those creative ideas that I have will continue to pour through my beautifully designed mind, and that it's really time to release them with discipline, trust, and ease. And to know that I am a multidimensional being and I don't have to box myself in, and that the divine messages that are flowing through me are here to guide me continuously. And so with this, I open my heart to receive, and I hope you can receive this message as well.
Hello, party people. I hope you are having an amazing, amazing, amazing day. I hope you are taking your time and that you are deep breathing and you are feeling in this present moment. I am just out here feeling super grateful. It is a beautiful freaking day here in North Carolina. I am so far today I've done some beautiful yoga. I will let you guys know the name of the yoga instructor here. She's absolutely amazing. She's a melanated yoga teacher on YouTube, and I did some yoga, some deep breathing. I made this amazing fucking smoothie. It was so good. And I made a green juice, which I'm probably gonna drink in a bit. Just plan out this new ebook that feels so freaking called to me. I feel so drawn to, drawn to just expressing my fullness, my full creativity, without limits and without just judgment or worry. And I'm just like, fuck it, I have this divine calling to do something, and it's maybe something that I've never done before, but I feel so spiritually called to it, and that is the message right there, because the opportunity would have never presented itself to me if we weren't ready. And that goes for you too. That goes for all your amazing, crazy, innovative, forward-thinking ideas. Let's just put our shit out. We are multidimensional creatives. Let's do this shit. So I'm actually gonna plan this new workbook. Yeah, ebook workbook type situation. And I'm so excited. So I got my laptop and let's do it. Let's just enjoy some nature together and just be. Really good to just say, you know what, fuck it, I'm about to be my most multidimensional self, and I'm not gonna box myself in. And I feel like that is so freaking liberating to say, you know what, yeah, one day I'm a designer, one day I do graphics, one day I'm an interior designer, one day I'm a singer, I'm a dancer, I'm a social media manager, I'm a creative director, I'm a product photographer, I'm a course creator, I'm a content creator. But you know what I'm saying, as far as hobbies, they can, and skills and passions, they deserve to be expressed. And yeah, we shouldn't box ourselves in. And so that's exactly what my next project or product or whatever you want to call it is about. It's not boxing ourselves in, liberating ourselves from the fact that society tells us that we need to have one profession, one job, one career, one niche, and all those things, so we're saying fuck that, and we're breaking the norm, okay?
We live at the top of the sky. There's no room for anything more. We say your name we proclaim.
Literally feel so protected by the nature spirits wherever I am around the world. And it's so beautiful to come back to a home state, and especially if you have a home, a childhood home, and you have some nature, some greenery in the back, and you can reconnect and introduce yourselves and say, oh my God, I really haven't noticed you like that when I was younger or years ago, but I see and I feel your power now, and I thank you for your presence, and I thank you for letting me witness your beauty and receive your codes. So hi tree. It easy to our final destination. We're just walking on autopilot, feeling the emotions in silence, and comparing one another just to process. Feeling the emotions in silence, and comparing one another just to process. Oh, 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 yeah. I'm getting bit by mosquitoes. I'm getting bit by mosquitoes. Oh my God. Oh my God. Should I put that in the song? See, making an ebook, and now I'm like making a song. Now I'm like writing lyrics to the song. Fullness, guys, fullness. So I'm in my childhood home right now, and I always feel so creative coming back into the backyard and having a journal and some music and making sounds and twirling, because when I was younger I always come back here and just twirl and dream, and so I've always felt connected, and especially these two trees that are still here, and it feels good to just really tap into some inner child play, and whatever creative motive comes up, just flow with it, right? With no questions asked, just flow with it. And so that feels good. Sorry about the hit. This is the season for you to trust in yourself and to trust in your creative abilities, and your intuition does not lie, and your creativity does not lie, and you are meant on this earth to express your multidimensionalness. And I love you. Hope this video provided some type of affirmation that you are worthy, and that you deserve to put out your art, and you deserve to be your multidimensional self and embody your higher self and embody your unapologetic self. And all love to you. Hope to see your art, and yes,